Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're talking about aviation, personal finance, and investing. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about personal finance and investing, specifically about liability. As you all know, having a brand new car off the lot is downright wrong because it's a liability, and it's a depreciating asset once you drive off the lot. But sometimes you gotta splurge on the things that you enjoy. So I enjoy my car right now. So I own a Subaru 2016 STI, and I bought it brand new. It's almost 5 years ago. It's gonna turn 5 years in June of this year. So I got it in 2015. So how I save money is I wash my own car. I don't take it to the car wash. If you take it to the car wash usually you have to pay $20 to $25, and that adds up in a year. So what I do is I wash my own car in the car wash. They have a sprayer, a high pressure washer, and I use that. I bring my own buckets, so I usually bring two, and I usually use Chemical Guys products. I'm not affiliated with them, but if you want to buy, I'm gonna link down the products down below. Those are Amazon affiliate links. If you want to try them, feel free, and I can vouch for them because I've been using them for 5 years, and there's no issue with that. I love the product. My car comes out really nice, really shiny, and it just pops. I'll take a video of it after. Right now I'm about to detail the car and finish off and make this video and publish it. So this is one of the products that I use. It's the synthetic quick detailer. I use this after I wash my car. So I usually use this after I wash my car to get rid of the water spots. It's pretty good. Guys, that was it. That was a quick detail on my car. I usually put wax on it too, but today I'm just gonna skip that, and I'm just gonna use the quick detailer. It looks good. I can wash it in the next 3 weeks, where I can come back and finish off the wax and apply wax from there. Today is just a quick car wash detail because my car looked like crap before I came to the car wash. I had sands everywhere, and yeah, so this is the Chemical Guys synthetic quick detailer. I'm gonna leave the links down below. Those are Amazon affiliate links, so if you want to try them out, you can check them out. And I can vouch for them because I've been using them for 5 years since I've owned my car. and they're pretty good. So this is the synthetic quick detailer. I apply this after I wash the car. And then the wax that I usually use, but I'm not applying today, is the Blazin banana spray wax. And both of them smell good actually. They smell like candy. So I'm gonna show you the car now and how it looks. Yeah, I'm happy with the results. So today is gonna, again, like I said, it's a quick detail because I have to go back and edit this video and do some errands, and I work on some school stuff. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to subscribe, you can subscribe right here and click the notification so that you guys know if I've created a new video. And if you guys have any questions, comments, comment down below. And the product links are available in the description. Those are Amazon affiliate links, and if you guys want to help me out, you can check them out. And yeah, I can vouch for the Chemical Guys products because I've been using them for almost 5 years now, and they're affordable and they last long. And there's a bonus, they smell good as well. So you just got to be careful because when you're washing your car, it smells like bubble gum and it smells like candy, and by the time you know it, you're going to be spraying it and you're going to finish the bottle. With that, if you guys are flying this Memorial weekend, stay safe. And if you're investing next Tuesday when the stock market opens, good luck. And maybe my next video is about investing stocks. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.